roast chicken in the oven is perfectly seasoned and cooked to perfection. Juicy, tender, and delicious. Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. In this video episode, I will show you the secret to the juicy roast chicken in oven. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video to the end. And as always, enjoy it. Take one onion and cut it into quarters and put it into the bowl. These vegetables will go inside of the chicken and as a bed for the roast chicken as well. Take one celery stalk and roughly chop it. Transfer it into the bowl with onions. Get a small carrot, peel it and roughly chop it as well. Take 2 garlic cloves and smash it with a knife. Put the vegetables on a side for now. Now let's make compound butter to rub the chicken with. Take a bowl, add 1 stick of room temperature butter, get a couple strings of fresh thyme, and remove the leaves from the stem. I know that most of the time compound butter needs to be served cold, but since we are using it as a rub for the chicken, room temperature compound butter will work well. Take 1 lemon and zest it. Compound butter is a mixture of butter and other ingredients like herbs and spices. Compound butter will add extra flavor to my roast chicken and make it very juicy. Chop the thyme and lemon zest fine and add it into the butter. Season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Take a spatula and mix it all together. Take 2 garlic cloves and squeeze it with a garlic press. And mix it again. Don't forget to put on the gloves. Get a chicken, I got a 5-pounder. And pat dry it from all the sides. Carefully separate the skin from the chicken, make sure not to rip it. Then take compound butter and spread it under the chicken skin. Butter locks in moisture and gives delicious flavor to your chicken. This technique with compound butter will make your roast chicken extremely juicy with buttery, herby and garlicky flavor. Spread most of the butter under the skin and the rest of compound butter spread all over the chicken. And roughly about 1 teaspoon of compound butter, I will add it inside of the chicken. Then get the vegetables and stuff half of it into the chicken. Take a butcher's swine and tie the legs of the chicken. Then get the rest of the vegetables and use it as a bed for the chicken. And of course, don't forget to season the chicken with salt and freshly ground black pepper. My chicken is fully seasoned and ready to go inside of the oven. Place it in the preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour and 45 minutes. But depends on the size of the chicken and the temperature of the oven, the time may vary. You have to remember that the internal temperature of the chicken should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit when it's ready. But what I like to do is remove the chicken roast when it's 162 degrees Fahrenheit, cover it with aluminum foil and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So this way the chicken will get carry over cooking. So this is the ideal technique to make the juiciest roast chicken in the oven. Obviously, I'm gonna remove the vegetables from the chicken and it's time to properly carve it. And start by carving the thigh and leg of the body. Cut through the skin between leg and body from both sides of the chicken and separate legs and thighs from the chicken body. Cut off the spine. And now let's take care of the breast. Cut off the wings first and start carving the breast by finding the breastbone in the center of the breast. Make a cut along the side of the breast near the breastbone and move down towards the base of the body. Cut straight down in a small slicing motions at an angle along the breastbone to remove entire half of the breast. And repeat the same with the second breast. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell, press notify me to get notified about these beautiful, delicious, tasty videos. Cut the breast meat into slices. Slice it so that each slice got a piece of skin. Make sure not to cut it too thin. The thickness of each slice should be approximately ½ an inch. And finally, cut the leg off the thyme at the joint. Arrange the carved chicken on a plate, decorate it with some fresh chopped parsley, and enjoy. Got a lot of flavor. chicken breast is not dry. So this is the method that you need to follow.